Are you looking for the best split system air conditioners? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best split system air conditioners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. COSTWAY 11500 BTU Mini Split AC and Heater. The COSTWAY Mini Split AC offers powerful cooling and heating for spaces up to 750 square feet, making it ideal for keeping your home comfortable year-round. It works efficiently even in extreme temperatures, so you can stay cool during hot summers and warm on chilly days. The inverter technology helps save energy by adjusting compressor speed to avoid unnecessary power use, which also makes it more eco-friendly with its R32 refrigerant. Plus, you can control the unit easily from anywhere using your smartphone or voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant, giving you convenient access to adjust settings anytime. What we like: very quiet operation, high air output, good build quality, energy efficient 120V system, detailed installation resources. What we don't like: remote control only, shipping cost. Number 2. Garvee 36,000 BTU Mini Split AC/Heating System. The Garvee Mini Split AC offers year-round comfort with its energy-efficient 36,000 BTU cooling and heating capabilities, perfect for spaces up to 2,000 square feet. Its advanced inverter technology and eco-friendly refrigerant help reduce your energy bills while keeping your home comfortable. You can easily control the system remotely using Wi-Fi through a mobile app, allowing you to adjust temperature, modes, and fan speeds from anywhere. Plus, it operates quietly at just 28 dB, so you won't be disturbed while working or sleeping. With multiple modes to suit different needs, this unit adapts quickly to both hot summers and cold winters, making it a convenient choice for your home. What we like: energy-efficient operation, Wi-Fi remote control, ultra-quiet performance, multiple operating modes. Number 3. ROVSUN 9000 BTU Mini Split AC and Heater. The ROVSUN Mini Split AC offers a powerful 9000 BTU cooling and heating system designed for efficiency and convenience. With its inverter technology and a high SEER rating of 19, you can enjoy significant energy savings. The automatic features, like a 24-hour timer and eco mode, allow you to set it and forget it, ensuring comfort without constant adjustments. Plus, its smart comfort capability lets you control the temperature and airflow from your remote or smartphone app, adapting to your needs seamlessly. This unit operates quietly, making it perfect for any room in your home or office. What we like: easy installation process, quiet operation, affordable price, efficient heating and cooling, clear instructions. What we don't like: instructions lack detail on leak testing. Included tape quality could be better. Number 4. Oylus 12,000 BTU Mini Split AC/Heating System. The Oylus Mini Split AC offers efficient heating and cooling for rooms up to 750 square feet, keeping you comfortable year-round with its 12,000 BTU cooling and 12,500 BTU heating capacity. You can easily control the temperature between 61 degrees Fahrenheit and 88 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring the perfect climate in any season. Its energy-saving design reduces power use by up to 36%, which helps you save on bills and support a greener lifestyle. The unit also features simple remote control operation and a 24-hour timer, so you can adjust settings conveniently without leaving your seat. Plus, multiple modes and fan speeds let you customize airflow and maintain a fresh, comfortable environment all day long. What we like: quiet operation, easy installation, efficient cooling and heating, responsive customer service, high value for price. What we don't like: indoor mounting screws could improve. Number 5. DELLA Motto Series Mini Split AC 12,000 BTU. The DELLA Mini Split AC offers quiet operation, running at just 41 dBA, so you can enjoy a peaceful environment. It's designed for professional installation, ensuring optimal performance and safety. This unit efficiently cools or heats rooms up to 550 square feet, working well even in cold temperatures down to 19 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll appreciate the eco-friendly R32 refrigerant, which helps maintain better air quality indoors and outdoors. The smart sensor feature detects the temperature from the remote control, allowing the system to adjust airflow and temperature for your personal comfort and energy savings. With these features, you get a flexible and user-friendly air conditioner that keeps your space comfortable year-round. What we like: energy-efficient operation, quiet indoor and outdoor units, effective heating and cooling, easy Wi-Fi and Alexa control, solid build quality. What we don't like: DIY installation can be tricky. Occasional temperature offset.